Okay, hopefully it's working. All right, I'm researching my first credit card ever. Ooh, it even said ever. And the first thing that pops up is this Forbes best first credit cards to build credit. And so I click on that first link and here I go. I'm going to scroll down with these choices that pop up and I'm going to choose this Discover It. I don't care which one you guys pick, but you pick you. I'm recording right now so that my students at home can hear it. Here we go. The Discover It first card, I'm going to go put that name in this link right there in that bin. So this will be attached for you guys in just 1 second. Discover It secured credit card, and there is my link. It's where I found it online so you guys can refer to it. We're then going to be adding some special features, annual fee, all of these things I can research from this card. So how can I get this information? If you click on this, it gives me more info. Click on this, gives me more info, and so on and so forth. But even better than that, if I go apply now, it brings me directly to Discover's website. If I scroll down, it gives me more and more info on the credit card. You're going to choose 3 to research. So this can be one of them for your card A as well. There's a little tiny thing that has to be provided by law. I'm going to zoom in right here. It is this right here, see rates, rewards, and other info. This is called the Schumer box. This tells me all of the important small print stuff. What's my fee? What happens if I don't pay my fee? What happens if I do a balance transfer? So here comes my credit, my APR percent is 22.9%. So here I go starting to fill in the info about this card. My purchase regular APR, I just got that from that box. I'm actually gonna go like this so you can see both. Okay, next it says what's the annual fee, and this annual fee is none. That's unusual, I like it. It means I might choose this card for that reason. What is my intro APR and period? My intro APR is also 22.99. And this is often common on new cards. My regular APR and intro APR for balance transfers. So now I'm going to look over here at balance transfers. There's an intro APR of 10.99. And then it says right here that it converts to the 22.99 after the first 6 months. I'm researching this card and typing in what I find. The fee for the balance transfer, I go down to the fees column and it says that balance transfers have an intro fee of 3%. So I just type in that info. Now it's switching over to cash advances. The fee is $10 or 5% of the amount. Paste that into the correct box. What's my rate for balance transfers? 24.99. Okay, late fees. If I look over here on what happens if I pay something late, none the first time. Ooh, that's kind of nice. And then after that, 40 bucks. Penalty APR. Ooh, none. That's nice also. Another reason why I might do this card. Other features of the card, I'm going to go back to what it was advertising on that Forbes. Check this out. I get 2% back at gas stations and restaurants. How exciting, 2% back. Let's make this smaller so it fits. Okay, now I just filled in all the blanks for card A based on Discover It by researching online. I'm going to do that again for a second card B. Find me another card. I'm going to do it again for card C. I would love it if you chose at least one of the cards to be your bank. Like if I chose Navy Fed, go look at what Navy Fed has as an intro card. If I chose Chase, go look at what Chase has. because you do want to do one with your own bank someday. When you are done with all three, you are summarizing which card you chose and why. Maybe I chose the Discover It. I choose the Discover It because it has the lowest of the three rates and it gives me cash back when I go to restaurants and gas stations, and it has no annual fee. I don't know, but you guys are going to summarize which one you chose and why. You cannot do Wednesday's assignment unless this is done. So I extended it through Wednesday morning before class. You got to do this. You got to find what you're purchasing, and then we can continue with Wednesday's assignment. Okay.